Welcome to Curated by Hasnan. Hey everyone! Today, we're taking a look at an essential addition to your home toolkit, the 𝗏𝗏 right-angle screwdriver. This compact tool measures just under 4 inches long and is super slim at 0.34 inches, which means it can reach those tight, awkward spots that larger screwdrivers just can't. Its size isn't the only advantage. This tool features a magnetic clasp compatible with any 1/4 inch drill bit, so you get a secure hold with every use. This makes it perfect for tasks like computer repair, assembling blinds, door handles, and more. And if you're looking for a versatile gift idea, 𝗏𝗏 has you covered with a mini ratchet screwdriver set. This set features a unique reversible ratchet system that makes switching directions easy. Just push the bit in, flip the button, and go. It's an absolute time saver for everyday fixes and repairs. Why lug around a bulky toolbox when you can have all these tools in one compact package? From appliance repair to furniture assembly, this set covers it all. And let's not forget, it's an 18-in-1 kit with a variety of bits, mini sockets, and even a drill extension adapter, so you're always ready for any task. 𝗏𝗏's right-angle screwdriver and mini ratchets